Hello everyone, Sid here, back again with another tutorial. In this tutorial we're going to learn about how to connect with database using PHP. Okay, so I'm going to create one folder. I have mem server. Okay, one second. I have mem server. I'm going to click here, application, now mem, and htdocs. Now within htdocs folder I'm going to create with the name of folder db. And where is db? Now I'm going to open within htdocs folder. I have this one db, this folder. Now I'm going to create one file here with the name of index.php. Now I need to write here PHP syntax. Now I'm going to click here with the server name is localhost. Sorry, I have written wrong. Localhost. Now username is root, password also root, and database name is equal to db check. I'm going to create this one, db check. Click on new and just type database name. I have written here database name. Now I need to go here again. We need to create connection is equal to Mysql underscore connect. Now here we need to write everything like server name, username, one second, give me some space. Username, server name, password, database name is check. Now we need to check connection if not equal to $con. we have written variable, so here now die connection failed. Going to concrete PHP Mysql connect error. Now this is done. Else now check connection successfully. Now you can check here, and if you want this code, so you can go directly realprogrammer.in and just click on here database. You can check here, everything is here, and if any doubt please let me know. Definitely I will try to resolve a query. And thank you.
If you have any doubt, please comment on comment section. Definitely I will try to resolve a query. If you want more video, please comment on comment section which type of video you need. Definitely I will try to make. Thank you for watching.